one of the Greater Kuala Lumpur project implemented by Jabatan Perkhidmatan Perpotongan JPP and equivalent managed by Gabungan AGP MFA as a project PMC. Langat RSTP started building in 20 November 2025 and fully complete on 25 November 2020. This project will recognise 164 locations sewage treatment plant in the area of the Ceras Batu, Desa Baiduri, Ceras Jaya, Kajang 1 and Kajang 3. It also involved the construction of approximate 105 km new sewage pumping network, building a 6 new pumping station and upgrade of the 4 estimate pumping station directly be linked into one centralized location. The total cost to build this is RM 1.6 billion under the RMK10, designed and built based on the experience and successful of the Tokyo Metropolitan Sewage Service in Japan. The innovation and modern facility is equipped with green technology incentive and public facility. In lab, we were told about the different composite in water, which is influent, MLSS, effluent, and the type of the sludge, which is thickened and dry. Monitor the parameter like turbidity, color, and the temperature to ensure that they were acceptable limit. Analyzing sample from the different stage of the treatment process, which is primary, secondary and tertiary stage, to monitor the efficiency of the each treatment step. Next, we go to the SCADA room. SCADA room is the critical heart of plant. All the equipment or sensor can be remotely monitored from the SCADA. All the plant data is captured and stored. The security system such as CCTV have 128 unit and FIDS is also monitored and controlled from the SCADA room. The SCADA room will operate 24 hours with the shift of staff. Sewage water process involves several stage design to remove contaminant and produce clean water that can be safely discharged into the environment. For the first treatment is primary clarifier. It has 32 units of PC perform solid liquid separated via sedimentation process. It removes small light particle, part of the SS and BOD from the sewage, which pass through the flow distribution tank. The rate is 65 meter cube and the dimension is 5 times 22 times 4.6 meter and the water depth is 4 meter. Next is a secondary clarifier that has a upper and the lower. 32 of the double-decker design secondary clarifier mixed liquid from bioreactor enter the second clarifier, in which solid liquid is separated through the sedimentation process. Next, the supernatant overflow into the effluent channel and it collected by the effluent through the end of the clarifier. The third is the tertiary treatment, which is further polished to effluents to remove the remaining contaminant. Process is filter, disinfection and neutral removal. For the summary, we have interviewed Encik Hafiz. The position is engineer. For the job scope is monitor liquid section. So the monitor liquid section start from the water enter the sewage. From the sewage line enter to the pre-treatment, which separate the sand and the solid waste, and then go to the primary clarifier will undergo the process of compressing the solid and the liquid of 40% and 60% from the BOD. Suspended, the solid will be separated. Then will enter the dim gravity tinker that process the tank. In the process, tank will undergo the decomposite. All the solid compound that will be removed from the process tank to go to the secondary clarifier. Then the secondary clarifier is same as the concept of the primary clarifier to separate the waste and will discharge to the river. 10% of the water will be used to generate the power and the 90% will be discharged to the Sungai Langat, which the followed by standard A.
2, 3, I love RSTP.